Hello friends, welcome back to my session. So today we will be going to write a Java program to remove white spaces from a sentence if we keep it in a string. So do watch this video till end to best understand the logic, and I will just put a lot of comments in a code for a good understanding. So let's proceed with this. So our problem statement is remove all white spaces from a string. For example, input is white space, Java white space is space fun. In a white space. Okay, and the output that is required is Java is fun. Fine. So let's start with this. So very first step, we will be going to take an input string with extra spaces. So I'm just taking this only. So string sentence equals a white space, Java white space is white space fun. Now in our step 2 we will use replace all method with regex. So what it is basically, if we say this sign, that is, so in regex means any white space character. Okay, any white space character. So any white space character means like space, tab, new line, etc. And also if I append plus sign here, so this means one or more white spaces characters. One or more white space characters. So we replace them with empty string. Fine. So we'll give string no spaces equals sentence dot replace all with empty. Now we'll do one thing. In our next step, we will print the results. So we'll just give original and in fact do one thing, give it like this, sentence and fine, and in the same way modified with no spaces. Now let's run this and see. So yeah, we could see we have removed the white spaces and this was the expected output. So I hope you like this logic, very simple logic, and you really like this session. If you really enjoyed this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.